Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Friday, everybody. Yeah, so we, wow, I lost my chain of thought. So I wanted to say real quick, is I was supposed to go to the National Forest not last weekend, but the weekend before that. And I did a community tab post, and I ended up going for a walk. Truth is, I woke up feeling like crap. I felt super tired. I had like no energy. I just sat on the edge of the bed just going and finally after about 2.5 hours I had breakfast, I drank some orange juice, I relaxed a little because I'd been working a lot of hours, and I was like, you know what, let's go to the park. So even though I was still, my body still felt a little heavy, it's like so I finally got to the park, did the walk, which I already uploaded, and I did that video. What would I do if I was stuck overnight? That was that weekend. But this weekend, as I have Saturday off, but then I work Sunday at that place down. It's like an hour drive from where I live. So I have to get up at like 4 a.m., drive all the way down there, work 12 hours. I mean, the work isn't super strenuous, but, lack of sleep. And, yeah, so hopefully I'll be more energetic this Saturday. Knock on wood, we'll get out to the forest. In fact, I've actually got some wood right here. So, yeah, knock on wood. So let's get to the burn. But first, let's do this week's channel shout out, and we'll do that right now. Alrighty, gotta move the other camera. I was just filming something else, so we got our previously drawn names. This week's channel shout out, and one flew out, so we'll go with that. This week's shout out is, oh cool, Odell Outdoors. Good, real good dude. So naturally his channel will be linked in the description. He doesn't upload often. When he does, I enjoy his content. He's a good brother, good guy. Alright, I thought I would just do some Fatwood today, so I'm going to break out Fab Creations' most generous Fatwood gift to me. Thank you again, brother. Same gentleman who made this most excellent manger. Let's see what we got. I'm going to try to burn something I haven't burned before. Fab Creations, I've burned that, North California Fatwood. I got Redneck Renegades, East Texas. I think I burned that one already. I'm trying to get down to the bottom of the bag here. Find some I haven't burned yet. Redneck Renegades, North Georgia. I don't think I've burned that yet. So let's do the North Georgia Fatwood. I'm going to prep a little bit of this. I already prepped the manger with a few things. I felt like my Fatwood fires, my Fired Up Fridays are, we're getting a little long, so I'm going to prep this off camera some and then come back, finish prepping it, and we'll fire it up. And I wanted to comment real quick. Look at that golden goodness right there. Awesome. Alrighty. So, I wanted to say there's a lot going around online about 22 a day. And, my heart goes out to those our veterans, people who have served our great country, and I just never really had the words, express the words of appreciation well enough. I just didn't feel like my words would be See, even now as I'm trying to say it, it's like it's hard to express appreciation as much for what they've done for us. I mean, I'm standing here at the park, able to do this because of their sacrifice. And, it sickens me that our country our leaders of our country don't do more for our vets. But, I've never served personally because, fat and all, but, it's like, I don't know, just, it doesn't seem like what I would have to say would be enough. at times. So maybe we'll do a burn for our vets, because you know, for 22 a day. So we're gonna try to do a one and done. Wait for the vehicle to disappear because he seems to flames. At Fab Creations Manger, North Georgia, Fatwood. I got a little bit of birch bark in there, and I got just a little bit of random Fatwood just to kind of add to the bottom. So we're going to try one and done. Oh, a little smoke. Come on. Not a one and done, but it's still a nice fire. And then, like previous videos, I've actually picked up before I get the fire going. Gotta say, I'm pretty happy with this guy. Nice fire. Alrighty, well, I appreciate everyone watching. Have a great weekend. I will link Odell Outdoors in the description for this week's shout out. As also, I'll link Fab Creations and Redneck Renegade as well, because I mentioned both of them. And have a great day. We'll see you on the next one.